Hello class 8th student, it's a part 22 exercise F. Answer the following questions in detail. It means it's your long type answers. So question number 1, list all fractions means list all components obtained from petroleum and give one use of each fraction. Means you have to find out the all fractions and give one use of each of them. So if you remember, we just listed out a table from this chapter and there is all the fractions and their use. You have to write only one use. I am showing you that again, so could you write easily. Here is the list. You see all the fractions which is obtained by the petroleum, and from here you can write any one use of all of them. Okay. Now come for the question number 2. With the help of diagram, explain the different zones of a flame. So we are going to explain the different zones of flame. In the part 6 of that chapter, we have already discussed the zones of the flame. And then we again see there are 3 zones of a flame. We see outer zone, middle zone and the innermost zone. You have to define all these zones because it's a long type of answer, so you could define all of them. If you are unable to understand, then go for the part 6 and understand it one more time. And here I am again explaining you this thing. The innermost zone, the zone which is near the wick of the candle, is called the innermost zone of the flame, and this zone is black in color, has unburned wax and is the least hot zone. The second, middle zone. The zone in the middle of the flame is called the middle zone. This zone is yellowish in color and moderate hot as the wax vapor burn partially. This zone is the luminous zone as it provides a lot of light, and partial combustion of carbon allowed it to glow. If we keep a glass rod in the middle zone, the unburnt carbon particle get deposited on it and glass rod turns black. This incomplete combustion is this because the wax vapor does not get enough oxygen for the complete combustion. And the third zone is the outer zone. The zone of the flame shows the complete combustion of the wax vapor. It is the bluish color, as we read that the complete combustion gives the blue color. Okay, due to the high availability of the oxygen. This zone is the hottest zone of the flame. And one more thing I am again telling you, if you are unable to understand, go for the part 6 and read it again. Come for the question number 3. On destructive distillation of coal, we get 3 useful products. List them and give one use of each. So we recall this thing that on destructive distillation we get the 3 products, that is coke, coal tar and coal gas. Now you have to give the one use of each. So you could write any one use from here. Means as a coke, it is used in the extraction of iron in blast furnace, for manufacture of steel and for the cooking and heating. So you could write any one use of here. Coal tar, it is used in the insecticides, pesticides, paints and drugs and explosives. Coal gas, it is inflammable gas, highly inflammable. It is as commercial and domestic fuel, means it is used as a domestic fuel, or you can write a commercial use. So these are the 3 products having their uses. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.